Dude, what the fuck was that all about in that drone? I saw a fire and it looked like there was somebody there, and I just had to go check that shit out.
Bro, I see that
Here,
shit.
pull it up again. Let's just fucking look at that shit.
How far is that?
It
looks like it's about a mile and 2 miles away.
Feels like it's.
Bro, I don't know, dude.
Dude, that's fucking intense. I mean, what the fuck was that even been all about? Whoa. Can you see that? Dude, it's already right there. That's closer than we thought.
Is that a fire?
Dude, I see a silhouette.
Yeah, that's the fire. That's the place.
There she is right there.
She's fucking just crouched right there. No way.
Oh,
it's closer than I thought, too.
Check it out.
What the hell?
Walk a little slow, man. You're getting too close.
Hopefully this person's not on fucking drugs or something. Hey, yo! Oh, shit. There she is. Hey! What the fuck? What the hell is up with these sticks? That is so fucking bizarre. Hey, you okay? What's going on? What are you doing? Dude, what the hell?
Why is she standing up, bro?
No fucking way. Hey, are you okay? Why is she getting turning like that? Why does she look all fucking good? What the hell? Okay. What the fuck? Matt, get the fuck up. Get the.
I can't move.
What? No. What are you talking about? Get the fuck up. Whoa.
What the fuck?
Whoa. Shit. You fucking bitch. Matt, get the fuck up. Matt, what the fuck is wrong with you? You should fucking kill him. Get up. What is wrong with you? You fucking.
What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing?
You do.
What the fuck? Oh fuck! What the fuck? No! 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 What the fuck did you do?